little trip, try to find myself. Journeying within my soul. It took a little time and I realized that something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Yeah. For many years I've been without. Gets out sometimes and all my doubt. Yeah. There was no one for me. No one but the holy company. And I know that as long as he is my friend, my soul will be secured until the end. Yes, I know that as long as he is my guide, under his wings of love, I will abide. My life has been filled with thistles and thorns from the day that I was born. With only my faith to carry on through the wind and storm. He said, if you want to follow me, yeah, first you must forget thyself. Yeah. Take up the cross and come. Let's journey into the beyond. And I know that as long as he is my friend, my soul will be secured until the end. Yes, I know that as long as he is my guide, under his wings of love, I will abide. Oh, I took a little trip, trying to find myself. La, 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 la. Last night was good, I held you tight, felt you close to me. They played your favorite song and mine, a night of melody. Like pumpkin and soup you glued to me, so embraced as one. From the moment I blessed eyes on you, I knew I'd be having fun. Can I have another date with you? And can we spend the whole night through? I'm so happy I've got tears in my eyes. Feel just like yesterday, when little kids come out to play. You've rejuvenated the youth that's in me, and make me feel like singing tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. Oh no, ooh-la-la-la, ooh-la-la-la-la. Can I see you tomorrow night? Same time, same place. If moments like this really do exist, it shouldn't go to waste. Touch me in the same little cute way, melt my heart on the spot. You don't really have to say no more, I know what I've got. Can I have another date with you, and really spend the whole night through? I'm so happy I've got tears in my eyes. I feel just like yesterday, when little kids come out to play. You've rejuvenated the youth that's in me, and make me feel like singing tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. Ooh no, ooh-la-la-la, ooh-la-la-la-la. Hush, my darling, dearest one, slow down on your dub. Ooh, don't do this to me, my life is shaking up. Hush, my darling, dearest one, slow down on your dub. Ooh, don't do this to me, my life is shaking up. have another date with you, and then we spend the whole night through. I'm so happy I've got tears in my eyes. I feel just like yesterday when little kids come out to play. You've rejuvenated the youth that's in me. I make me feel like singing tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. She says she want to be free, material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. Yeah. She love her ruby, silver, diamonds and pearl. Affection for a man comes second or third. Somehow the light in her house gone dim. She gone from around hustling. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. If that's what you want, have it your way. Yeah, I'm letting you go. See you some other day. Cause memories don't live like people. They go away and come back to you. Instead of me mixing nothing wrong, I let you pass along. Material girl. For the wicked people, we've been blind all along, but now we can see there's an angel over me and he keeps me shining. I say the truth, naked, the lie cover up. They see the liar, just see the land go over up. The truth, naked, the lie cover up. They see the liar, just see the land go over. There's a thin line between love and hate. So me if you walk on the thin line straight, only the truth bring you to Zion gate. On the battlefield, fight for Jah in your faith. Cause the truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. Unrighteousness, I treat them like a pin. Devil knocking at the door, but him can't come in. Talk, you know you're a thing. The truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. In righteousness, I treat them like a pin. The devil knocking at the door, but think you're coming. Vampire attacking up them out. You know you're a thing. You 2 years hard, warm to your youth. Granny say when planting one day it's shoot. Be true to yourself, just be true. Mix up with dirty things you know we do. Cause a lying lips is abomination. With the Father have good relation. Ship me a sail pan, oh so long. Me tell the truth cause it make me strong. Cause the truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. Righteousness, I treat them like a pin. Devil knocking at the door, but him can't come in. Wicked talk, you know you're a thing. The truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. Righteousness, I treat them like a pin. Devil knocking at the door, but him can't come in.
Get time to know the truth. Lord, Lord, man tough like iron. The only man from Zion. Straight like a harrow, me say. Couldn't be a snitch another day. Straight like a harrow, me say. Stay firm till me whole hungry. Stay true to the thing, never snitch with the thing. Man a gangster, me never sell out. When me step to the game, them know I no play time. Rude boys run the road. They give information for me get jail time. Well, want me get locked up on a wait time. But I never my time for make the headline. Dig down the place, nothing then can't find. Straight like a harrow, me say. Couldn't be a snitch another day. Straight like a harrow, me say. Stay firm till me whole hungry. Tell them so the hype and the fame and the money couldn't spin me wrong. No, no. Even when you rise in a life, them still want hold you down. Oh Lord, solid like the rock at Gibraltar. Get the youths, they can't make we falter. Straight like a harrow, me say. Couldn't be a snitch another day. Straight like a harrow, me say. Stay firm till me whole hungry. Stay true to the thing, never snitch with the thing. Man a gangster, me never sell out. When me step to the game, them know I no play time. Rude boys run the road. They give information for me get jail time. Well, want me get locked up on a wait time. But I never my time for make the headline. Dig down the place, nothing then can't find. Straight like a harrow, me say. Couldn't be a snitch and
teach them the father call. Yeah. Me said the mark of the beast at the talk of the street. Some don't even put the art where some pastors a preach. It best to put your thoughts where your daughters a pre. Or later in the dark, she go want on up. Oh, look how much ghetto youths get slaughtered for G's. Corruption on the streets make art of the freeze. Your freedom start from the thought to be free. So I judge on me as long as the art you a B-E-A-T. My soul now go get no price tag. I set the road and then that's so I trod. No for say me naughty, no for say that I'm mad. Me desire of to satisfy God. So no matter where you do, where them say try no live your life bad. Live it, forget some other blessing the way Christ have. Or as a turn your back in that the knife stab. Babylon them cooler than an ice bar. I know time get serious. Now I no time to play. Alone stray better find your way. And find some time to pray. Yes, serious. Now I no time to play. Alone stray better find a way and find some time to pray. And Jaja said I forgive them a 31 because it a go be time at the early man. Me now waste no time because the journey long and the fire never out, it keep burning on. Take the gun out the Kirky palm. First the black woman them we flirting on the real knowledge heights, so the search is on. Blaze me chalice and heights up 30 psalms a day. And me a tell you say it hurt me off. We see the 6-year-old skirt to show off. The little juvenile of the work the cat. Forget a day meal him can't search for that now. Move from us with the dirty thoughts. Your mind useless like a dirty cloth. Fire hotter than with the pan jerky cat. Anytime mama hurt a rat, I know time get serious. Now I no time to play. Alone stray better find your way and find some time to pray. Yes, serious. Now I no time to play. Alone stray better find a way and find some time. Said the mark of the beast and the talk of the street.
Fantan Mojah, one of the soldier. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone yes can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone yes can solve them. So what are the guns and the bombs and the nuclear fire? The future generation them a build be a war. The eagle and the dragon and the bear them a bar. Them a fly to a Jupiter and fly to a Mars. Destruction, yes what them searching for. None of them can stop the 7-point star. King Selassie, wow, the real Japanar. Get this now your head, ya star. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. And him alone yes can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone yes can solve them. Wow, they're trying their best to control the universe. John Pope at the second, Rastafari at the first. Lightning and thunder, volcano a go burst. The king a go forward, Babylon them a reverse. What them a go say no? What them a go do no? Push come to shove and we a watch them a go done. Now is the time them better free my people from the shackles and chains. Set them free. And the evil. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone yes can solve them. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone yes can solve them. So what are the guns and the bombs and the nuclear fire? For the future generation them a build be a war. The eagle and the dragon, the whole of them a bar. A fly to a Jupiter and fly to a Mars. Destruction, that's what them searching for. None of them can stop the 7-point star. But here King Selassie, the real Japanar. Just get this now your head, ya star. So many problems in the world. Who is gonna solve them? Only Selassie, the Most High. Him alone yes can solve them. So many.
Spread the love. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we don't want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we don't want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. anything to make ends meet. Them said them lock the town and not them lock the city. Them claim said them cold and them don't got no pity. Things miserable, the place I get sticky. Oh, what a pity, no travel with no guns today. Cause we know what no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today. Cause we know what no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying, yeah. The gun thing is turning the place in a mess. The man from east can't go for west. And so many people in a fear and stress. When you tell them unite, them say you disrespect. Tivoli Rima and down a jungle. Put down the machine, it better you humble. Waterhouse and Spanish Town, it better you put them down. All of the youth, them over Matches Lane. We don't wanna see no more, feel no pain. Remember our blood run through we vein. We're all the same, no travel with no guns today. Cause we know what no gun play. Too many innocent dying. And too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today. Cause we know what could be spiceless. The wicked will try to do, but no, they can't get through. So I never ever turn my back on the poor. Just even I will love me more and more. Oh, my bread basket will be filled and running over. Oh, wicked man, you run for cover. So the price of Shiloh. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Shiloh. No, it never ever leaves me under. The price of Shiloh. Even though I'm under pressure, never leave me in the gutter. Price of Shiloh. No, it never ever leaves me under. Jah always guide I, always protect I, always a guide I. Whoa, yeah, always protect I, always a guide I. His words are truth and his ways are kind. Always provide I, wicked can't ride I, always beside I. Whoa, yes, Jah love is within I, he may glorify. His words is truth and right. The price of Shiloh. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Shiloh. No, it never ever leaves me under. The price of Shiloh. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter.
The word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So listen to the messenger I touch down, Lord. Use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Mighty full power complete jammer them. Well, some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is he that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to your messenger, it's giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use your words and armor them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up your lyrics and grammar them. Words, sound and power complete hammer them. Down, down. Hey, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Down, down. Them and them one I got. Them and them one I got. Them busting up the place and swear to God said them bad. But I'm mad, they mad. No man no better than Marcia.
voice of God, cause He will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey Lord, use your words and hammer them. Do your works and stammer them. Word, sound and power come fi jammer them. Do use your words and hammer.
So let it be done. Or if that's what you say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. 'Cause there's always a brighter day. You will find it. So let it be done. Let your will be done. Let it be done. Whatever happens in life, it's already ordained. Two roads before you. Choose one. Choose one.
Choose one.
There's a destiny at the end of each road. Each road. We can't fight the hand of Jah, so take it as it come higher. Yeah, yeah. Smile in the face of adversity. From your nose say Jah, you are saved, you see. Cause you can't feel no lower than the floor. For when time you fall, you must rise for sure. In this your day and time, things are harder than hard. Strong up yourself and answer the warrior's call. The inner voice that is within you, the voice of Jah. So let it be done. Or if that's what you say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. 'Cause there's always a brighter day. You will find it. So let it be done. Let your will be done. Let it be done. Problems will accumulate. Yeah, be strong and never let the problems dominate your life. Here's a lifelong order. Follow the hand of Jah and you will prosper. And when it seems you can't go no more and things seem like them can't get no better, let go and let Jah let go. So let it be done. Or if that's what you say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let that become such a burden. Yeah, nowhere. Send us your love, love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love, love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Nowhere. How great and how mighty is your name, and worthy to be praised. Oh, He's the Almighty Creator and the King of glory. In serving Jah, never be unfaithful, and never you be ungrateful. Through Jah you will always find mercy. How so wonderful. Send us your love. Mercy and your grace. Send us your love, love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Although every man is falling short of the glory of His holy kingdom, He will lead us to escape this captivity and find our freedom. For He's the Almighty Savior, our divine strength and Redeemer, who is like unto Jah and His glory. He's so mighty. Send us your love, love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love. And your grace. Lord, seek Jah first, all ye mighty full people, then all things are added. Let the desire of your heart be full, righteous and clean. For He's the fullness of this testament, and with the fulfillment, glorious blessings from Jah is all we shall get. Send us your love. Love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. For you
myself, baby, I'm falling. Falling for you. No, I just can't help myself, baby, I'm falling. I like your style and the fancy clothes you wear. I'm gonna take you around the world, baby, yeah. Your eyes met mine, and I knew you were the one. To have you in my life, baby, boy. Cause I'm falling for you. No, I just can't help myself, baby, I'm falling. Falling for you. No, I just can't help myself, baby, I'm falling. There's nothing wrong with me loving you. Got to have you in my life, my baby. I'm guaranteed to make you mine forever. There's no one else for you, honey. Cause I'm falling for you. Can't help myself, baby, I'm falling. Cause I'm falling for you. Cause I'm falling for you. Baby, I can't stop falling. Baby, I can't stop, I can't stop falling.
What you gonna do now, girl? Listen. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they are lies. As bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was a man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, hands full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Listen, girl, your true beauty prescription looks so good that it's earth. You're a dime plus 99. Don't even know what you earned. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare. Cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. If I was a man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, hands full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed.
Baby, how you do? Baby, oh, baby, you're fine, but I know what you got in mind. Cause now you got me feeling like you're with a secret, like I can leave you alone. Took a shot of this small, but it's gonna be on. VIP has got no way to crowd it. I'm a body that I'm calling it a night. So you should. I'd like to go tell her that Phil came to see her. Pull up, beep, beep, shotgun, I'm ready to leave. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. once you get inside, you can't change your mind. Don't need to sound impatient, but you gotta promise, baby. Tell me again. Tell me again, my baby. Lovers and friends. Oh, I'm listening, baby. Yeah. Tell me again. Tell me again, my baby. Lovers and friends. Listen to me. Sometimes I wanna be your lover. Sometimes I wanna be your friend. Sometimes I wanna hug you and squeeze you. Hold hands over the record spin, yeah. When I'm with you, I'm afraid to be too comfortable. You're a beautiful girl, sometimes I wish that I could have you. You're my friend, I'm a lover, and I don't wanna take the chance. Tell me again. Oh, tell me again, my baby. For the longest time, if I fall for you, girl, I would cross the line. But tonight I see something in you that make me wanna get with you. You've been nothing but a friend to me, that I'd rather never ever dreamt you'd be. Hop in here, kissing, hugging, squeezing. Hop in the tub, we'll be rubber-dubbing. Shawty, tell me again, my baby.
It's my first time asking, won't you please play my number? I know you don't plan your program, but could you do this for me? Yeah. All of the massive in the house is rocking, but my baby still ain't dancing. Play me a vibes when I rubber dub rhythm, so I can pull her to me and rock her gently, tenderly, till she feel the warmth of my arms. Rock her tenderly, gracefully. Make sure she cry on my shoulders, eh? Hear me good diamond, don't like arms out. Can come a dance, come look like church mouse. Inna the place for more than an hour. Still them not play nothing for me, yeah. Come at the session for just one reason. I feel she fall in love with me Colin. Only the vibes of a rubber dub rhythm gives an opportunity to rock it gently, tenderly, till she feel the warmth of my arms. Rock it tenderly, gracefully. Make sure she cry on my shoulders. My selector, remember, your respect is more than due. Cause you don't know, say later, a bashment for you and the crew. My selector, remember, your respect is more than due. Cause you don't know, say later, I'll be sending you stuff by the few. Mr. Selector, it's my first time asking, won't you please play my number? I know you don't plan your program, but could you do this for me, yeah? All of the massive in the house is rocking, but my baby still ain't dancing. Play me a voice on a stone love rhythm, so I can pull her to me.
Hands on the Cruz in original style, sing by the crucial vibes, love is all I bring. Check this. Me don't want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me don't want no man a bring gun come a dance. Cause it just a mash up with party. It just a mash up with community. So watch ya man. Dirks man dead off, Bogle dead off, Panet dead off, Nuff man dead off. Remember early B and Tennessee. How much more ghetto youths a go dead off? Me want to see the positive vibes a build back. The dance all crack and all the whole place a rock. Nobody not dead, nobody not bust no shot. Every man have a woman in a corner a rock. Dance off big one, build some more long. But the man will sell the nuts, the cane, the man will sell the town. But the good vibes gone, tell the man them pick on. A man step on your shoes, tell him pick one. Me no want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me no want no man a butt shot in a dance. Cause it just a mash up with party. It just a mash up with community. Me no want no man a bring gun come a dance. Me no want no man a butt shot in a dance. Cause he just a mash up with country. He just a mash up with community. See the dirt man dead off, Bogle dead off, Panet dead off, Nuff man dead off. Remember early B and ten a song. We get a gonna sing, you know me can. Hey, hey, bring back those days when the dance used to nice and selector used to play it twice. No one to see the positive vibes I build back. No man nah dead, nobody nah bust no shot. The dance are black up and the whole place a rock. Every man have a woman just a dance and a rock. Dance up big one, build some more long. Where the man was sell the nuts, the cane, the man was sell the corn. Where the good vibes gone, tell the man them pick on. Come on, step on your shoes, tell him pick one. No man, I bring gun come a dance.
Oh baby, compliments what she does. Send the roses just because. If it's violin she loves, well let them play. Dedicate her favorite song and hold her closer all night long. Ask her to stay, find 100 ways. Yeah. Don't forget there could be a lover in your memory. If you need her so much more, why don't you say maybe she has it in her mind that she's just wasting her time. Ask her to stay, find 100 ways. Being cool won't help you keep a loved one. You just blow your only chance. Take the time to open up your heart. That's the secret of romance. Sacrifice if you can. Buy some moonlight to a friend. If it's one more star she wants, go all the way. 'Cause in your
Let me give you love, cause you deserve it. Forever we preserve it. And I'll prove this to you. Starting tonight, I'm gonna prove my love, yeah.
Oh yeah. Just think of a sunlight in the day and a moonlight in the night. Fishes are dancing in the rivers rolling by. There is still a blue sky until another baby cry. I wonder why some people sigh. Oh yeah, life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. Cause every day another baby's born. No. Another loving to be defined. Sweet, sweet memories on my mind. We gotta take some time. Cease from war, the killing and crime. Life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. Cause every day another baby's born. Oh well. Just think of the life that you can live and the things that you can give. Remember every day to think positive and live. Life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. Cause every day another baby's born. Oh well. And if you don't have the money to go to the party, and even if you can't afford the latest style, for every good thing in life gotta take some time. Life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. Cause every day another baby's born. Love is the moon, love is the star. Yes, love is happiness and when you're feeling sad. Love is the moon and love is the star. Yes, love is happiness and when you're feeling sad. And life goes on. Life goes on. Life goes on. Cause every day another baby's born. Another mountain we must climb. Another loving to be defined. Sweet, sweet memories on my mind. There is still a blue sky. Still another baby cry.
Let me tell you what I know. Bend down low. Let me tell you all I know now. A fisherman row. You reap what you sow. I tell you I know. You've got to let it go. And all you have to do is bend down low. Let me tell you what I know. Bend down low. Let me tell you what I know. Keep on knocking, but you can't come in. I get to understand you've been living in sin. Walk right in, sit right down. I will keep on loving you and play the clown, so bend down low. Now let me tell you what I know. Bend down low. Now let me tell you all I know. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. I get to understand you've been living in sin. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. I get to understand you've been living in sin. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. I get to understand you've been living in sin. You keep on knocking. Alright. Bend down low. Let me tell you what I know. Bend down low. Let me How many more words do the messengers have to bring? the singers have to sing. Before the fussing and fighting wrap up and done. Before another mother stop cry for her son. Before we put down the knife and the gun. The blessing get short and nobody get none. Still the rhythm of the roll, and the story must tell. The rhythm of the roll, till all is well. Still the rhythm of the roll, and the story must tell. The rhythm of the roll, till all is well. Well, I wonder how many are listening, and I wonder how many take heed, and I wonder how many will shed the shackles of rage, corruption, and greed. And I wonder how many listen Bob Marley and still can't hear a word. And I wonder how many will listen this song and think that it's quite absurd. Till the rhythm of the roll, and the story must tell. The rhythm of the roll, till all is well. Still the rhythm of the roll, and the story must tell. The rhythm of the roll, till all is well.
Would I not stand to survive? Let us take a look around, see what's going down. Yo, tell me how come here in Jamaica so many people still a fight Rasta? Tell me how come down a East West them never chat Danni man but them chat Sizzla? Tell me how come people are support the street, no people love the Prime Minister? Tell me how come those in power don't seem to care? It's 'cause life is so unfair in this sweet paradise, and this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that anywhere? Everyone treated equal, and this is why so many die, leaving so many to cry. Tell me how come there's so much guns in the streets and none of them gun they never make that? Tell me how come AIDS is spreading wild, taking over this sweet paradise of Jamaica? Tell me how come the dollar value's going down and everything's going up around town? Tell me how come Mogul had to get gunned down? 'Cause life is so unfair in this sweet paradise, and this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that anywhere? Everyone treated equal, and this is why so many die, leaving so many to cry. Tell me how come the youth them downtown can't receive the education like the youth them uptown? Tell me how come Jack you are dead at jail and the prosecutor know he's innocent and shouldn't be there? Tell me how come so much hungry belly out the street and Babylon not one like say them not see it? Tell me how come people see it and not speak? 'Cause life is so unfair in this sweet paradise, and this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that?
Them done dead already, from them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done dead already, from them a package reality. Them done dead already, them better keep away from me. Them done dead already, them a walk in the peace. Should them fight against the roots and culture? That's why them a live like vulture. Yes, them fight against the right tradition. That's why them get caught up in Babylon. 400 years so long, and still they're living wrong. They don't wanna live as one. All of them a live like Taliban, but them done dead already. From them no love the Almighty. Say them done dead already. From them a package reality. and crow and I'm out them conscience for dollars and cents. Them a sell out them looks and them conscience like them don't have no sense. All those who laid the foundation no get no recompensation, and still this young generation don't seem to care one damn. That's why them done it already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done it already. From them a fight against reality. Yeah. Them done it already. Them better keep it from me. Them done it already.
Oh yeah, yeah. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for united sisters. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Oh yeah. Now's the time for united sisters. Said it's time to unite. It's time to live upright. It's time to unite. It's time to live upright. Ooh, look at a chain is as strong as its weakest link. Oh yeah, yeah. Each one's his brother's keeper. Listen up, listen up. Unity is the foundation of survival. Had to let your love come shining through. See, stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Look at it. Why lose your soul because of folly? Leaving behind your woman and babies, allowing them to face the judgment of the world. Men, women, boys and girls. Yeah, hey. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Yeah. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
stand true of his ways. Yeah, he's the ancients of days. Yeah, alright. Check it out. Me a feel Jah Rastafari every time him a the main focus in a me life. Me a feel King Selassie every time him a the main focus in a me life. Me a feel Jah Rastafari every time him a the main focus in a me life. Me a feel His Majesty every time him a the main focus in our life. We have to heal him over war and over strife. Heal him over all of them the negative vibe. Call upon him name and make the wicked have to hide. Talk about the truth and make them drop off and them from some like a Rastafari your victory landslide. From down in the valley to the mountainside. Man top of the pinnacle man a shout it worldwide. From them time till now and forever yes him always a guide. Stand by us in a rough time. Down the enemies and seek. Jah be your guide in every tough time. Our soul him preserve and keep. So me a feel Jah Rastafari every time focus in our life. Man of feel, Rastafari every time him a the main focus in our life. We a feel His Majesty every time him a the main focus in our way. One heap of chops and raps and obstacles may come in our way, but judge a principle. It keep me focused on the journey to the road simple. And when me blessing it a come a double and triple. For me a ride on the road now with me bicycle. You know me drop and broke me hand and God me never cripple. Cause when me run through the flex and me check, all way up me no vex. I judge up on me and you know up me neck. Stand by us in a rough time. No the enemies I can see. Jah be my guide in every tough time. Our soul in preserve and keep. So me a feel Jah Rastafari every time him a the main focus in our life. Me a feel King Selassie every time him a the main focus in our life. Man a feel Jah Rastafari every time him a the main focus in our life. We a feel King Selassie every time him a the main purpose in our life. We a feel him over war and over strife. Heal him over all of them the negative vibe. Call up on the name and make the wicked have to hide. Now about the truth and make them drop off and them bombs and like a Rastafari your victory landslide. From down in the valley to the mountain side. On top of the pinnacle mount and shout it worldwide. From them time till now and forever yes him always a guide. Me a feel Jah Rastafari every time him a the main focus in my life. Me a feel King Selassie every time him a the
out Augustus, the bar them must up. Not today a dance when shoot out a guan. Yet a him them comfort in a demand and a him them remand and send a tambourine farm. And left him hungry belly picnic them a yarn. Wrongly accused of something that he never did because of his background and the place he live. You judge a man by his appearance, that's so wicked. Free the prisoner from the captives and we them blame one another follow. Get a man and name them run get call out. And we are not agony, we still a ball out. Freedom must come from all bounds. We don't blame one another follow. Get a man and name them run get call out. And we not agony, we still a ball out. Freedom. Somebody that juggle when Sharon get raped. Yet a him police are intimidate and all kick down in gate and all a interrogate. Then them show him in a very dark place. Wrongly accused, now the innocent pay the price. Edifice right and denounce prison life. Babylon make you so go like ice. You frame the youth like go, you frame Christ. We get to blame when another follow. Get a man and name them run get call out. And we in a agony, we still a ball out. Freedom, she come from all bout. Aye, we name when another follow. We get the blame so we name them call out. And we in a agony, we still a ball out. Freedom, on the evil perpetrators, yeah. Burn them now, left them filleters. The evil navigators, yeah. Burn them like the flipping paper. The evil perpetrator, yeah. Rasta bun the player hater. The last one lives and reigns. Freedom and justice for all. We get the blame when another follow. Get a one and name them run get call out. Like we not gonna we still a ball out. Freedom must come from all boats.
Yes, we're going up to Zion. For too long we've been here in Babylon. Wanna go back home, yeah, to a place called Ethiopia, part of the motherland. First in civilization on the river Nile. 13 months of sunshine, beautiful all the time. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Yeah. luxury, fame, and fancy life that I won't be captured by. Gotta make it home on time. I won't worry, I won't fret. Gotta make it home before the sunset. Windy road, slippery and wet. Jah will guide my footsteps home to Zion. Take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh Zion, take me home to Zion.
From day to day we live, searching for our identity, while the rich man says we are a menace to society. But they don't know what it's like, what it's really like, what it's really like. To face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure, to face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure. On and on we go, for hate we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime. While the oppressor says that turning to politics is the only way. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. One day the table will turn to all men out there. Beware, for all barriers will burn. On and on we go, our hits we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime. While the oppressor says that turning to politics is the only way. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure.
Na 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 na. Yo, never lost my way, never turned fool when I reach out the crossroad. Never lost my way, never see the hype and get confused. Never lost my way, never turn fool when I reach out the crossroad. Never lost my way, never see the hype and get confused, yo. I'm the element of surprise, fittest of the fittest shall survive, yeah. Over the mountains I lift my voice, angels harmonize, yo. Give them another high pitch, light up another big spliff, yo. When me sing me not for rich, and the money man I look out at this, yo. Never lost my way, never turn fool when I reach at the crossroad. Never lost my way, never see the hype and get confused. Never lost my way, never turn fool when I reach at the crossroad. Never lost my way, never see the hype and get confused. My heart could be bitter, but I choose not to. His love I prefer. I could be a murderer, but I see no joy in being a killer. What makes the world go round? Me say love some, say money, them a clown. The truth is there to be found, so let it be known. Never lost my way, never turn fool when I reach at the crossroad. Never lost my way, never see the hype and get confused. Never lost my way, never turn fool when I reach at the crossroad. Never lost my way, never see the hype and get confused. So long there is life, there is hope. So keep it real. The struggle may be long, but this is where I belong. The struggles make me stronger and even much wiser. Soon the world will see the power in me, yo. Never lost my way. Never turn fool when I reach at the crossroad. Never lost my way. Never see the hype and get confused. Never
too much to bear. It's too much. Nesbeth making it clear. Guns out this morning. Babylon coming again. Guns out this morning. Question when will it end? Guns out this morning. The whole place under curfew. Guns out this morning. Check this. It was about 12 o'clock when the thunder start clap in the back of Miss Mabel yard. The lightning start flash when me hear the gun crack under me bed for me belly me crawl. Me pray for siren but all I heard was a scream from me next door neighbor a ball. No kill me one son but me still hear the gun. Me couldn't wait till morning come. Oh, guns out this morning. Babylon coming again. Guns out this morning. Question when will it end? Guns out this morning. The whole place under curfew. Guns out this morning. Yeah. So when you see me leaving, ask me where me going deep. Man, I look for somebody good just to kill him. I'd rather be with Vicky than to be a victim of them evil system. Me can't believe I really yes I yo me grow up. Them shoot the bathroom pipe out before me swoop up. Me convince them youth ya them coke and them dope up. Somebody call the constable and that's how we turn up. Guns out this morning. Babylon coming again. Guns out this morning. Question when will it end? Guns out this morning. The whole place under curfew. Guns out this morning. Check this. It was about 12 o'clock when the thunder start clap in the back of Miss Mabel yard. The lightning start flash when me hear the gun crack under me bed for me belly me crawl. Me pray for siren but all I heard was a scream from me next door neighbor a ball. No kill me one son but me still hear the gun. Me couldn't wait till morning come. Oh, guns out this morning. Babylon coming again. Guns out this morning. Question when will it end? Guns out this morning. The whole place under curfew. Guns out this morning. Yeah. So when you see me here again. Love is in the air again. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. Is in the air. Happy days again. And it's amazing. My foe is now my friend. This world is changing. Grudge we used to hold and vibes you would show. We're no longer insecure. We cycle off all of the score. Yeah. Can now the youths them have a goal and a mission, a soul and a vision, a role, a position. No more the youths them not go hold ammunition or no opposition for no politician. Cause right now the youths them life are gleaming, smile are gleaming, love is beaming, real love. Yeah, real love. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Happy days again. And it's amazing. My foe is now my friend. This world is changing. Grudge we used to hold and vibes you would show. No longer insecure. We cycle off all of the score. Yeah. Cause right now we're strictly love. We're preaching to the thugs. We're reaching, our souls are bleeding. And we don't wanna see the past repeating. Just know the key thing, what is so you're reaping. We have to make the youth them grow, believing in work and achieving, giving and receiving with love. Yeah, yeah, real
love. Ooh, yeah, happy days again. And it's amazing, my foe is now my friend. Yeah, this world is changing. Grudge we used to hold, and vibes we would show, no longer insecure. We'll tackle off all of this gold.
Now that you're gone, make me feel so sad. If I have to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love this way, but I've never felt that strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now, I don't wanna live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Oh baby, nothing gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. Don't wanna change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Ooh baby, why baby, hey dear, hey. If the road ahead is not so easy, our dreams will make the way for us. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you if you should hear me. I'll never leave you lonely, girl. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now, I don't wanna live without you. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now?
Somebody can you tell me why are all the good girls taking every time? And why do I keep falling for someone else's sign? Every time I say hello, the ladies tell me goodbye. So why are all the good girls taking every time? Sunshine, from the first time that we met and planned, you took my heart, I must confess. Deep in your eyes, you seem to be a look I sent. Hello, is it me you're searching for? Suddenly my sunshine turned to rain. I don't know if I'll come back again. That's what you are, sunshine or rain, baby. You didn't say you had a man that never belonged within your plans. And it ain't so bad. Will someone tell me why are all the good girls taking every time? And why do I keep falling for someone else's sign? Every time I say hello, the ladies tell me goodbye. So why are all the good girls taking every time, taking every time? Tell me why. Somebody gotta tell me why are the good girls taking every time? Yeah. Na 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 na
that you never set me free. Please, you walk away so fast, believe me. Make me feel as if I'm living in the past. Oh, girlie of mine, try me one more time. Make me feel so fine. Can't get you off my mind. I've done the best I could, believe me. Didn't know that you mean me no good. And we made a splendid start. Into me, you then disembarked. Didn't know that you were so untrue. You went away and made me blue. Luckily that my heart was so strong. You done me so much wrong, but I'll get along, yeah. Girlie of mine, please try me one more time. You make me feel so fine. Can't get you off my mind. Sweet life, what? Please come back. What? Listen to me. There's all the things I do. Keep me. You went away and made me for somebody new. Don't know why you've been so unkind. Yeah, 'cause you're giving me a 6 for a 9. Please, girlie of mine, try me one more time. Make me feel so fine. You almost blew my mind. Sweet life, girlie of mine, try me one more time. Make me feel so fine. Can't get you off my mind.